Hello guys, welcome back to Xcel Crypto. A brand new mining app just launched and it is called Tappio. If you miss out on Pi network or core, don't miss this one. In this video, I will show you how to mine Tappio coin and it is completely free. So you may ask, what is Tappio? Tappio coin is a new mobile crypto mining app that allows users to earn free Tappio coin daily by just check in. And in today's video, I'm going to show you and direct you how to download Tappio app and start mining Tappio free coin. So please make sure you watch this video to the end and see how you're going to be directed. And once again, please, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and turn on your notification so that I can get my next video. So let's go, guys. So let's hit our screen. I are going to be directed to start mining your Tappio coin. So let's go. So what do we need to do? We have to locate our Play Store. This is our Play Store. You click on it. So what you need to do here, you need to come here and click on this search. Then you tap Tappio. As you can see here, I have already downloaded my own. So your own may require you to install. So what after downloading it, so all you need to do, you have to click on this open. So what else will you do here? You have to click on this create wallet. But for the sake of this video, I have to pause and copy my seed phrase. Make sure you copy your seed phrase and save it in a place that nobody will find it. So in the sake of this video, I have to pause and write down my seed phrase, and when I'm done, I'll continue. So make sure you watch the video to the end. Thank you, guys. So after you have write down your seed phrase, on the down side, you will see I have write down my phrase. So here, what do you need to do here? You have to click on this turn on notification so that you'll be notified whenever your mining is ended. So you click on allow. So as you can see here, you click on continue your wallet. You click on here, yes, I have agreed. So what will you need to do? You need to click on this start mining. So it's loading. So you have to watch this ad. After this ad, your mining will kick off. So you have to be patient. So after the ad ended, so it will bring the interface of the coin. So this is the interface of the project. As you can see here, I'll receive a bonus of 500 tap coin, and what I'm mining in the day is 2 tap per hours. You can understand. You can see here, it's only once in 24 hours. So you don't need to bother yourself to come and check your coin. And again, if you want us to mine in a community, so what you need to do here, you need to click on here. You click on this place and write this plus sign. So you can add my username here. Then we'll start mining as a community. So I will drop the link on the description of this video. Copy the link and make sure you follow the guideline. And once again, if you want to boost your this is boost. You click on the boost. So the boost had to run a little bit.
I will lend you 500,000 naira, but you need to pay back.
So after the booster adds, and so you click on this X again. So as you can see, it has boosted to 2.2 Tappio per hours. So thank you guys for watching, and do like to subscribe and turn on the notification so they cannot miss any of my updates. So thank you guys. Goodbye.